So when the forensic analyzed these firearms, it just strengthened the case against the accused and exposing these accused to a wider syndicate which had significant access to finance and at times, because there were a lot of money that were being paid for the jobs that they were doing. I'm told that when the SAPS had to appear in court on this arrest of the three, they did everything possible to oppose bail of these suspects. But unfortunately, Mr. Puleta was later granted bail. And the reason he has cited at the time was his health condition. And this sparked grave concern amongst investigators, as well as the prosecution team, because they started fearing their lives and the threat towards their lives started escalating. And those threats were coming verbally and in some instances physical intimidations. And at times I'm told that they were being followed as they were moving around. As I said, this suspect was a police officer at the time. So upon his release, he resigned from the service immediately. In August...
Apologies, General, you say upon his release, or is it upon his release on bail? On bail,
upon his release on bail, when he had made an application citing health reasons, and he was released on bail, he resigned from the police. So his resignation was kept out as dishonorable from the service.